Adding. Find the missing 4-digit number. Missing number questions. 5,242 plus b equals 6,715. The question asks us to find the value of b to make the sum right. The missing number may be shown by a question mark, like here, or it may be shown as a letter, as above, or as a symbol, like here. To find the missing number in addition, you need to use subtraction. 221 plus something equals 5,223. How many do we need to add to 221 to get to 5,223? To work out the answer, we need to subtract 221 from both sides of the equation. 221 plus something minus 221 is 5,223 minus 221. 221 minus 221 is 0. They cancel each other out, so they just leave the question mark on one side of the equation. Now we have the subtraction on the other side. We can use columns to work that out. Let's start with the ones column. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Now move to the tens column. 2 minus 2 is 0. And the next column, 2 minus 2 again is 0. Finally, the thousands column. 5 minus 0 equals 5. So the question mark equals 5,002. Let's double check our answer. Is 221 plus 5,002, does that equal 5,223? Yes, it does. It's correct. And with bigger numbers, we're asked to find out what the symbol represents. How many do we need to add to 6,431 to get to 7,853? To work out the answer, we need to subtract 6,431 from both sides. Let's put it into the equation. 6,431 minus 6,431 is 0. They cancel each other out, leaving the symbol. Now we have to work out the subtraction on the other side. Let's use our columns again. Start with the ones column. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Then move to the next column. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Then to the hundreds column. 8 minus 4 equals 4. And finally to the thousands. 7 minus 6 equals 1. So the symbol equals 1,422. Let's double check our answer. Is 1,422 plus 6,431, does that equal 7,853? Yes, it does. And more complex subtraction. A plus 2,675 equals 6,814. How many do we need to add to 2,675 to get 6,814? To work out the answer, we subtract 2,675 from both sides. As we get more confident, you can choose to skip the cancellation step. So we're just left with A on one side, and we have to work out the subtraction on the other side. Again, let's use our columns. Start with the ones. 4 minus 5 we can't do, so we need to exchange one 10 for 10 ones. Now 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5 is 9. Then we can move to the next column. 0 minus 7 we can't do, so we need to nip to the next column and exchange for 10 units. 10 minus 7 is 3. Then the next column, 7 minus 6 equals 1. And finally the thousands column, 6 minus 2 equals 4. So A equals 4,139. Use whatever subtraction method works for you. You can double check your answer. Is 4,139 plus 2,675, does that equal 6,814? Yes, it does. Remember, the question asks you to find the missing value to make the sum right. To work out the answer, subtract the same amount from both sides. Use whatever method of subtraction works for you. As you get more confident, you may choose to skip the cancellation step to get the question mark letter or object on its own.